Hey guys, Anthony here. Wanted to take a couple minutes to go over the awards quiz. The grades were not as good as I had hoped. So I wanted to take a minute, just really quickly go through all the questions and maybe offer an explanation. We're going to go question by question here. Which of the following is a one base award? Detached gear on a batted ball, an overthrown ball, or a balk? Well, we know an overthrown ball is either two bases time of pitch or two bases time of throw. Detached gear is when you throw something at a ball or try and catch it with your helmet. Detached gear on a batted ball is, if it makes contact, it's three bases. Detached gear on a thrown ball is two bases. Detached gear on a pitched ball is one base. So the answer here, one base award, is a balk. However, we have two different rule sets. High school rules, a balk is an automatic dead ball and a one base award. Major league or official baseball rules, the balk is a delayed dead ball. And if every batter, including the batter runner, safely get their advance base, the balk is nullified. So we got R1, runner on first base. Pitcher fails to come to a complete set. Plate umpire calls a balk. The pitcher throws the ball. Batter ropes a single into left center field. R1 hits second. The batter runner safely gets first. Now we have no balk. So if R1 hits second and now tries to bust his ass and get to third base and is thrown out, well, guess what? He's out because he originally started at first. He safely advanced. The batter runner safely advanced to his next base. Now he moves at his own risk. Okay, which of the following is not considered one of the five plays? Guys, I can't stress how important knowing what the five plays are. It comes in all the time, especially with awards. It helps determine time of pitch or time of throw. Is it a rundown, a balk, a fake or feint of a throw, or an interruption of a throw, or a throw to a fielder? Well, it's a fake, okay? A fake of a throw or interruption of a throw is not a play. Now, in case you're wondering where the five plays are, because you really need to know them, okay, here they are right here. These are the five plays. A tag or tag try of a runner, a tag or tag try of a base, a throw to a fielder, and a try to put out a runner, a rundown, and a balk. Those are the five plays. They were found in the awards assignment. Okay, it says play or no play. Important to know them. Number 3, the overthrow award on the first play by an infielder is, it's two bases time of pitch. Okay, so first play on the infield is always two bases time of pitch. Second play on the infield is two bases time of throw. Anything from the outfield is two bases time of throw. So we got a runner on first. No one on, no one out. Ground ball to the third baseman. He fields it, overthrows the first baseman, and attempt to put out the runner. Okay, that is the first play. Him airmailing the ball is his first play. So first play is two bases time of pitch. Where was the batter at the time of the pitch? He was at home plate. Therefore, he gets second base. Second play from the infield and anything from the outfield, like I said, is two bases time of throw. It's when the ball leaves the fielder's hand, not when it rolls out of bounds. So let's say we have runners on first and second. Slowish ground ball to the third baseman. He fields it, tags the runner at first. Now airmails it over the first baseman's head. First play on the infield was the tag of the runner. Second play was the airmail. So the airmail happened on the second play. It would make the awards two bases now time of throw. And depending on where those runners were would depend on the award they got. So we had runners on first and second, right? So if the runner from going from first to second was at second base or past it at the time of the throw, he would score. If he was not at second base or past it, he would go to third base. The batter runner, if he was at first base at the time of the throw, he would get third base. If he was not yet at first base, he would get second base. It is possible, in essence, to award one runner three bases and one runner only two. How is that possible? Let's say the runner on first was already past second at the time of the throw. He would score. But the runner on first, the batter runner had not yet gotten to first, so he would get second. Super important to know. This is where the five plays come in. Okay, here's the situation right here. No outs. runner on first. R1 is stealing second when the batter bunts the ball to the third baseman. R1 is past second when the third baseman's throw to first goes into the stands. Place R1 in the batter runner. So it's the first play on the infield, right? We have no outs, runner on first. He is stealing. R1 is past second when the third baseman's throw goes into the stands. Well, it doesn't mean anything. It was the first play on the infield. Okay? First play on the infield. R1 to third, batter runner to second. Okay? It doesn't matter where R1 was. However, because it was the first play. However, there is an example to this rule for the first play on the infield. If both runners safely achieve their advanced base, they would both, it would then turn into time of throw. Okay? But because only one runner achieved their advanced base and not the second, it's time of pitch. Okay? First play on the infield, time of pitch. Second play, time of throw. First play on the infield, if all runners, including the batter runner, safely reach their next base, it becomes time of throw. Here we go, number 6. No outs, runner on second. The 3-2 pitch is called ball 4 and gets by the catcher and rolls toward the first base dugout. As the catcher attempts to retrieve the ball, he inadvertently knocks the ball into the dugout. Place R2 and the batter. So this is what's called an inadvertent push. A wild pitch that ricochets off the catcher and goes out of play is one base. Anything from the mound is one base. However, this was rolling and the catcher inadvertently pushed it. Okay? That would be him going to scoop it with his hand and knocking it out, him kicking it out, him going to scoop it with his glove and knocking it out. Anyway, an inadvertent push is 2 bases at the time of the pitch. So where were they? Add 2 bases. Okay, number 7, no outs. Runner on first, grounded to short, who throws the ball into the stands trying to retire R1 at second. Place the runners. It's first play on the infield. R1 to third, batter runner to second. Okay? Number 8, 1 out, bases loaded. Grounded to the third baseman who steps on third, first play of the infield. Then throws the ball into the stands trying to retire the batter runner. Second play in the infield, so we know it has to be 2 bases, time of throw. R1 had not reached second before the throw, so R1 would go to third. But R3 and the batter runner R1 had reached second. Oh, R1 had reached second before the throw. So R1 would score. R3 would score, and the batter runner to second. Yep, right there. Choice B. You're going to have to really do the math in some of this and pay attention. Here we go, number 9. Batter hits a single to right. The right fielder throws to first in an attempt to retire the batter. After he makes a wide turn at first, the throw goes out of play. At the moment the ball went out of play, the batter had already turned second. Okay, it doesn't matter. This is a play from the outfield. It's 2 bases, time of throw. It doesn't matter when the ball rolled out of play. Don't fall for that trick. If the right fielder was trying to retire the runner at first, he was at first. He had made a turn. So it becomes 2 bases, time of throw. He would get third base. Here we go, number 10. No outs. Runner on second, grounded to short. The shortstop throws the ball into the stands, attempting to pick the batter runner off first base after he made a wide turn. R2 was past third at the time of the throw. Okay. No outs. Runner on second, grounded to short. This is the first play on the infield. However, the shortstop throws the ball, attempting to pick the batter runner off first after he made a wide turn. So both runners had safely achieved their next base. It then becomes time of throw. So R2 scores, batter runner to third. Guys, if you have any questions at all on any of this, post a comment in the class comment section. Okay? Or shoot me an email. If you're confused, please listen to all of it again and again and again. Thanks, guys.